Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 2 of the unboxing from Totally Beads. Just wanted to show you these selection of beads that came in the box. Some beautiful colours. The grey ones are marble beads. They are 8mm. They are literally, as they say, marble, so you can see sort of pattern on them. Really lovely. And then the second ones are a white. They are glass. They are white and pastel blue splatter beads, and also the grey ones are also splatter beads. They are the colour of those is a pewter grey. Then sorry, these are a 10mm. These ones, there's 8mm, 10mm, and the fuchsia and red are a 8mm, also 47 per strand, and they are a glass bead. The red ones are a 6.5, I believe, but I think maybe they are smaller, maybe a 5mm. They're actually, I think, slightly different sizes on that strand. I believe there's 47 on this strand as well, and yeah, those ones. And then the white ones, the opaline, they are a 6mm, and the clear ones are an 8mm, and these are also an opaline clear. And oops, sorry. Then you have your frosted, your 6mm, and they are actually quite nice. So I'm going to be using those ones soon for making something, but I'll tell you more about that in a moment. And these ones, these are a cracked glass. They are called cracked earth glass beads. They are an 8mm. You have your reds and greens on one strand, and the other strand I believe is a red and green, but I think it's sort of like more sort of greens, greys and browns on that one. They are absolutely beautiful. I love them. So with these ones, I'm going to be making a cluster bracelet, even though an 8mm I don't normally use because they come out too big. I have a much smaller loops on my chain, my stainless steel chain for my cluster bracelet, so I can't get hold of the one I normally use. So what I can do is sort of spread the beads out a bit more, and then add maybe the frosted or the opaline to go with those, because they are a lot smaller. So we'll see how that turns out. So a cluster bracelet and maybe some matching earrings. I will do that soon, and I'll show you the outcome. I think that's it for this video. It's just a very quick video just to show you some more beads from that box. And if you like my videos, please, or my channel, please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you, bye.